Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and all of us are going on dates. I hope.
Are we?
I hope so.
मैं तो अपनी बीवी के साथ ही जा रहा हूँ.
हाँ. But that's why we have you, someone who's experienced in this field, in the field of going on dates, ordering cocktails, knowing what to order. We were like, we need expert opinion on
But
this.
I believe you'll have more experience when it comes to dates. So that's why I'm here.
You would
Yeah,
think,
but-
sir. You
Well,
would think.
Every experience is not a good
You
experience.
guys are in the prime here. Come on.
That's
That's why
true,
we want
that's
to like make use of
We want
these
to make
prime
the
years
most
that-
of
we
the
want to
prime.
optimize our primes.
क्योंकि हम
so
इससे
that-
पहले जो हम कर रहे थे, it clearly
नहीं,
Yeah.
नहीं. At
Wasn't
least
working.
some of us were not doing the right thing, or
Right.
maybe we were messing up in some ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, and actually this is the feedback that I've gotten in a few of my relationships that I'm bad at dates. So,
But good that you're getting feedback.
Yeah.
That's very healthy.
I mean, the feedback comes usually towards the end when this is why I am breaking up with you.
Not during.
He sends them a feedback form.
Feedback from.
Yeah, so that's why we decided we should have an expert here, and like you can maybe walk us through how to plan a solid date, where to go, how do you make it fun, what cocktails to order, how do you order for your lady.
Yeah.
Milady. Yeah.
But see, like I mentioned, I don't have much experience in dates.
Okay.
The first girl I ever dated is my wife now.
Brilliant.
I mean, you've done something right there.
He went on a solid date.
That was a good date, that means.
And interestingly, before I met her, I told her that I'll make a cocktail for you,
Okay.
which I never did. We never drank that evening. And she like kept reminding me for like couple of months that you promised that you'll make a cocktail. Not knowing that आज मेरा ये channel होगा, we'll be making cocktails. That's very interesting.
So did you make her that cocktail?
One day, of course. It's been now 19 years we've known each other. So
Is that your like most legendary cocktail of all time, or was it like a?
I don't even remember which cocktail I made for her. I think she would. Yeah.
Okay.
But what I would like to know is how the world has changed. Because first of all, I did not go on many dates, like with different girls, right? So how the world has changed, and what I see, what I perceive of your content, that you guys are like killing it. And
I mean,
You're too modest.
so how has the world changed?
It's
Like
changed a lot,
the millennial or the Gen Z, like how has the world changed? Like what's happening? Are people drinking on dates?
so I think overall though drinking has reduced.
It's reduced quite a lot,
Like,
significantly.
maybe, okay, so we are 27. The generation after us is not drinking as much for sure. Like we grew up drinking and we started drinking at like 16, 17.
Yeah.
So we have like 10 years under our belt now.
Yeah,
But we have noticed changes in like even with us. Like before, when you had just started drinking, first you're figuring out what to drink. Maybe you don't like beer, and the goal is to get drunk. You're not going to have a cocktail. The cocktail you're having is an LIT because you have one and you're drunk.
And you're on a budget also.
You're on a
as
budget.
No, the cocktail we're having is mixing every fucking alcohol there is, and cocktail पेट में हो रहा है और उल्टी हो रहा है बाद में 2 घंटे के बाद बार के बाहर.
वैसे मुझे लगता है कि LIT तो ऑर्डर करनी नहीं चाहिए डेट पे.
क्यों?
Because you're sending out a signal के it's all about alcohol for you. Like when you're there with a girl, that's my understanding. You can always say कि our Gen Z opinion is different.
Yeah.
I would love to hear that. A millennial version is that you can't. The date cannot be about getting drunk. दूसरों की आंखों में डूब के कुछ बातें करनी है ना.
हाँ.
अगर तुमने LIT पी ली,
दारू में डूब के बातें कर.
दारू में डूब के बातें कर रहे हो तो you're more excited about the drink than the girl.
Yeah, I mean, yes.
It's a red flag also. Like if you go on a date and you get drunk and the other person is not drunk,
that is the...
then though they are seeing you like for who you are, which you should always hide on the first date at least.
जैसे मेरे साथ होता है when I'm drunk, I become an oversharer. कि यार हम क्या करते हैं, एक बचपन की स्टोरी सुनाऊं, ये सुनाऊं, वो सुनाऊं. And sometimes I think यार सारी स्टोरी पहली डेट पे तो नहीं सुनानी चाहिए.
Yeah.
कुछ तो बचा के रखनी चाहिए बात के लिए.
Yeah.
Disappointment बाद में भी तो होना चाहिए.
Your trauma should come out like
Yeah.
gradually.
Phases, yeah.
Drip trauma.
Yeah. Trauma dump you can't do. Like सीधा एक ही डेट पे डाल.
होता है but ऐसा
हाँ,
भी
but
नहीं.
अभी culture थोड़ा shift हो गया. Like people care about cocktails. Like even if you look at the new places that are coming up, they're very intentional with their cocktails. Everyone wants to have a signature cocktail. They want to have their own menu, in which they have cocktails that no one else has. Because then that keeps you going back to the same place. Like if you like one specific cocktail from a bar, it's very likely that you will go and you will tell friends also, go there and have this cocktail of theirs. So that culture has like fully like come together now.
Is it okay to go to a bar, you're meeting a girl for the first time and you say, bring the usual?
Never make that mistake. Bring the usual. He's like, sir, नई लड़की आज.
आप भी तो सर usual के साथ नहीं आए हो. कुछ तो नया try करो.
Oh man.
I think it is. It could be a good move to have a usual, or like have, if you go to a place which you're familiar with and maybe the staff knows you and they treat you nicely, then it's like okay.
See, but aren't you like exhibiting you're always here, always drinking?
Always.
So, okay, one question.
Okay.
Can you project that you enjoy drinking and that you'd like to have a drink or two, be tipsy? Like, is it okay to exhibit that behavior?
I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, it depends on who you're going with. So if you can get a gauge before planning the first date, like if it's someone who also enjoys a drink, then I think the first date should always be like drinks and snacks, not even dinner.
Yeah.
I think you should avoid dinner.
Dinner is too much pressure, I think. Like if it's a date.
And you're eating, it's just like the goal should be conversation and connection. So if you're eating as a pasta खा रहे हो, फिर उसमें effort भी लग रहा है, time भी जा रहा है, and then you have to chew, you can't speak while you're chewing. So there's like this bit of weirdness. But like a plate of nachos that you can share, it's like low pressure.
एक पास्ता तो फिर भी खा सकते हो, बट वो ऐसे दाल मखनी, शाही पनीर और उसमें रोटी घुमाते हो तो नहीं खा सकते प्याज के साथ.
First date.
First date, if you
You're
go with
smelling
someone
like
and
pyaz.
they're into it, then crazy.
And
Like
nothing
you might
like it,
have found your wife.
Yeah, I think मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ होगा कि ऐसे शाही पनीर दाल मखनी with प्याज and मिर्च. That's very millennial.
Pyaz is a...
It's a no-go.
That's a no-go, not at all. First date to
Also,
never.
pasta has also garlic. So garlic and pyaz.
Gotta avoid. Become Jain for one date.
Yeah, I think alcohol also, then you have to...
Yeah, then avoid that.
Then you have to avoid everything. But what would be, if you were to go on a date today, let's say like you're back at 25, 27, you're going on a date, what would be your...
So if I recall, when I was 25, I think the only drink I had then was whiskey.
Okay.
And the only thing I knew at that point of time was कि यार whiskey तो whiskey soda या whiskey पानी.
Yeah.
So जैसे growing up दो choices होते थे कि डॉक्टर बनना या इंजीनियर. तो 25 साल की उम्र में ये होता था कि whiskey soda के साथ या पानी के साथ. There was no other choice.
Coke was never an option.
Coke was never an option.
You
I think वो
look down upon.
ये तो हाँ look down upon कि अगर आपने अच्छी सिंगल मॉल्ट पी रहे हो या अच्छी विस्की पी रहे हो तो कोक तो मत डालो. Have सोडा और वाटर. और फिर कुछ थोड़े बहुत ही स्मार्ट लोग होते हैं जो कहते हैं सोडा और पानी मिक्स. And they are like really, notch above.
Yeah, I've seen
Logic
people
पता
do
नहीं क्या है,
that. I've seen people do that.
Confidence से बोलते हैं.
Like, that's too many
Half
bubbles.
soda, half water.
Half soda, half water. ये बड़ा confidence आता है.
Experienced.
Has it happened to you or is it you?
No, I'm not that person.
No, you're not?
No, yaar. Half
drinks
soda,
neat.
half pani. Shots.
Whiskey ka, I think last episode also I told you my whiskey phase was very short-lived. I have switched to clear spirits since then. Like tequila is the new rage.
Yeah.
Everyone likes tequila.
Yeah. What's that tequila cocktail everyone's having these days?
Picante.
It's a
Picante.
picante. It's the new... Everyone likes a
I think
picante.
इंडिया में वो क्योंकि जैसे हम सब्जी मंगाते हैं तो साथ में फ्री धनिया आता है. This cocktail has धनिया.
Yeah.
So I think very Indian palate है ये. So उसमें मिर्ची है, धनिया है.
Yeah. It has a kick and it has a spice and everyone's like, oh, it's a chatpata cocktail. And they put that on the rim also, the salt and the mirch.
Yeah.
You get मिर्ची lips.
Yeah. I'm not a fan personally.
Yeah, but date पे आप मिर्ची lips तो नहीं कर सकते I think.
That you can, no?
But
Like, a picante is not gonna hurt.
Spice things up.
Yeah, spice things up a little.
Yeah, cocktails, tequila cocktails, and I think gin is still pretty like relevant. Like people are choosing between gin and tequila, and there are dedicated beer people also.
Yeah.
जैसे I keep hearing this on my channel. People keep asking कि can men drink vodka? और there was this question कि परफॉर्मेंस कम हो जाता है मेन का इफ यू ड्रिंक अ वॉडका.
Really?
हाँ. अब मैं आंसर देता हूँ. रियली मतलब आई डोंट नो, पीपल आर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन.
Okay.
कि इफ आई ड्रिंक वॉडका माय परफॉर्मेंस गो डाउन. परफॉर्मेंस, यू नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो या मैं ही बोलता हूँ हैं
Cricket.
yeah if that is what you're gonna call it
Strike rate.
Strike rate will reduce.
yeah you'll get out quickly
Hit wicket.
so like यार हमारे सिस्टम को नहीं पता ना कि वो वोडका बन रही है ग्रेन से, विस्की बन रही है भी ग्रेन से, टकीला बन रही है अगावे से. तो यार हमारी बॉडी को नहीं पता कि हमारी बॉडी के तो वो अल्कोहल है, C2H5OH है. अब वो किससे बनी है उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
Yeah.
तो बट वो वोडका स्टिल कंसिडर्ड एज अ विमेंस ड्रिंक, feminine drink.
Even white wine, I think.
White wine.
Just wine in general, right? It has a bit of a.
But it's very strong though, like wine.
Yeah, it's a 12 to 15% ABV. I think वाइन के साथ एक और ट्रॉमा भी है. I think दो प्रॉब्लम वाइन के साथ. एक जैसे ग्लास को आपको कैसे पकड़ना है. I think for a man to hold the stem very daintily, I think it's just goes beyond their macho image की यार. एक सेल्फ रिस्पेक्टिंग मैन कैसे वो वाइन ग्लास को ऐसे पकड़ सकता है.
Yeah, the beer is like, you know.
Yeah.
Or even whiskey is like.
Whiskey is also a big glass. You're holding
this
that.
becomes.
Yeah.
But so you're saying wine on a date is a no-go?
अरे why not? मतलब if you're comfortable with your sexuality and you know you say कि मैं रोजे वाइन पी सकता हूँ, रोजे is pink wine.
Yeah.
तो
Double down.
And that too a sparkling which comes in even is a flute glass, patla sa glass. I think if you can drink a rosé wine in a rosé sparkling wine in a glass, that's you're very comfortable with who you are. I think. What do you think? Like Gen Z would be like, I don't care what you think about me.
Yeah.
But this is who I am. I'm man enough to drink
That
this.
is.
Gen Z isn't into wine at all. I don't think they.
No.
नहीं मैंने तो नहीं देखा है बिल्कुल. Like if you even go to like there are wine bars. I haven't seen people ordering wine. Maybe like if someone goes for a Christmas dinner, they'll have like mulled wine just because it's the Christmas thing to do. But I don't think they drink
Wine.
I enjoy Prosecco.
I think he's comfortable with who he is.
Yeah.
Prosecco.
No, but Prosecco is a nice celebratory drink, I feel like. If
Prosecco
you're
is nice,
If you're celebrating something, it feels nice to have. It's got the bubbles also. It's like, and the experience of opening the bottle.
Yeah.
Like it feels like a ritual.
Celebration, yeah.
What about like a Cosmopolitan?
Yeah.
As a man, should you be ordering a
That's
Cosmopolitan?
vodka, no? Vodka based.
I think we should make a Cosmopolitan. We'll
And then hold it and see
and see
how we feel.
So Cosmopolitan, I think if you have to rate all the cocktails from let's call it girly to manly, if that spectrum exists.
Yeah.
I think Cosmopolitan will be the most girly.
Yeah,
drink.
of course.
Yeah, it comes
It's
in
pink.
that triangle glass.
That triangle glass. And what do you think? Can a Gen Z man drink
Yeah. He can.
Cosmopolitan
he's
on a
free
date?
to do
I have
whatever.
never had Cosmopolitan.
Even I've never
on a
had
date.
one.
I have
I don't know.
tasted. So there
But
is.
did you order or
No,
someone else?
no. I have never because it's just I don't think I'm that comfortable with my sexuality.
See, if I
Draws the line at Prosecco.
I will open up.
if I have it and I like it, I'm open to ordering it. And
But you will ask for a different glass or
You'll pour it in a square
नहीं,
glass.
whatever they give, I will have.
आज सोचो अगर कोई सेल्फ अवेयर नहीं है इतना या अवेयर नहीं है और सामने लड़की ने ऑर्डर किया कि आई हैव अ कॉस्मोपॉलिटन और ये अगर सिग्मा मेल इसको नहीं पता क्या है आई हैव मेक इट टू दोस और वो कॉस्मोपॉलिटन आ गई. अब यू कांट से कि ये तो मैं नहीं पीऊंगा बिकॉज देन यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद योर सेक्सुअलिटी. फिर क्या करोगे फिर?
You have a taste and you're like, actually, I don't like it. I'm gonna order.
I'd prefer a tequila.
Yeah. This Cosmopolitan is not for me.
I'll order a whiskey neat.
Half soda, half water to make up overcompensate.
Yeah.
But this has actually happened to me a few times because all these new bars have these cocktails that are not the traditional cocktails, so you don't know what you're going to get, and then you order something and it comes with like glitter.
कुछ और ही आया
It's pink and it has glitter and like marshmallows and gummy bears in it.
Yeah.
And you're just like, okay, now
अभी पीना पड़ेगा.
पीना तो पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
We went to this bar in Goa. They have those long, what is that candy? It's like that rainbow
Sour
color.
candy.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Chupa chups.
हाँ.
वो लंबा वाला जो
Yeah,
आता
yeah.
है. So it had that like.
Sour patch.
Yeah. It had that like hanging out of it. Rainbow colors. It was a very good cocktail,
Yeah.
very tasty. But then it's just like there is a rainbow coming out of your glass, so it's just like
Very progressive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rainbow, yeah.
You have to like
Yeah.
own up to
Yeah.
that. Should we make the Cosmo?
I think we should make.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And last time we barely drank
Huh.
because it was in the morning. So
Yeah.
this is like
It's 4.
it's 5 p.m. on a
5.
Sunday. I think it's an acceptable time to.
Oh my god.
This is the right time. I think we're running a little late.
Okay, let's start. Can you like walk us through this?
So yeah,
that
so this
if
is
we-
vodka. 45 ml vodka.
Damn, you're starting strong on
Yeah.
this.
45 is the
45 ml is
standard.
nothing.
45 and then and then 15 orange liquor also.
Okay.
So
that's
60.
a lot.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
60,
large,
yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I wasn't planning on, at least you gotta buy me dinner first, man. You're getting me.
So this is orange liqueur.
Okay.
About 15 ml.
Just for flavor.
Yeah, so adds that orange flavor to it.
Santra.
Then this is simple syrup.
That is how
15
many ml? 15.
Yeah.
Make it sweet.
Some limon.
Tissues, I mean.
And where does the pink color come from?
From the cranberry juice.
Ooh.
Prashant, can you pass the cranberry juice? Cranberry is good though. Like I'm
I
not
like-
gonna lie.
I like cranberry
A vodka
juice.
cranberry sometimes is like it hits the spot. A lot of my female friends love vodka cranberry. It's like
Yeah.
their go-to.
How many men do you know that like vodka cranberry?
Not too many.
Not too many.
They usually drink vodka with
You
water.
like, na?
Huh?
You like, na?
I like.
You used to drink when we were younger.
I like. I'm not. मैं छुपा नहीं
But
रहा
that's
हूँ.
because Yugu likes sweets.
I like.
so it just
I
makes
like
sense.
a good vodka cranberry.
Have you had a vodka Red Bull?
No.
Vodka Red Bull is like a.
It's
if
too.
you want to
that's-
show
Okay.
कि
I can
have
pass
no,
out.
I have no self-regard for my health at all.
You won't pass out with a vodka Red Bull.
So first time with Untriggered, like making a cocktail here.
Yeah.
Yes.
From the man himself.
Yeah.
ASMR. We've got the glasses on. Oh wow.
Let's go.
Oh.
How is it perfect, bro? Like, look at the.
That's
this
insane.
literally perfect.
Now tell me if
That's
if
insane.
men can drink this. Why don't you give it a shot?
Let's go, Yugu.
I'll give it a shot.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's how you do it for wine.
So
I'm having this.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It's
It's
so
yours.
nice. It's not.
No,
doesn't
it-
feel too strong.
No, the flavor, no one has.
it
It's
actually
just the
feels.
aesthetic.
Aesthetic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Flavor also I care about. वैसे. It's
Okay.
it's
Okay,
nice, it's
giving
pretty
us
smooth.
flavor breakdown now.
Feels fresh.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's smooth. I like it.
Would you be the one saying do le aana?
Char
Make it
le
two?
aana. 2 for me and 2 for the missus.
Oh,
Mrs. already.
committed already.
First, find a missus.
What do you think is the perfect number of drinks for a date?
Wow.
Like
Yeah, it's,
Right.
I think not more than 2.
2 drinks.
Because 3 पे तो आप ओवर शेयर बन जाओगे.
हाँ.
3 पे तो आप प्रपोज ही कर
start
जाओगे.
Like slobbering.
I love her यार. 3 पे तो यार. I think so. Your guard should still be on. I think. I think 2 drinks is still. You can still see what's right, what's wrong.
Yeah.
How many dates before you let your guard down and have a like 3-4 drinks type? You know?
Third
I think
date.
it was the second, third date. Yeah.
Third date sounds
See, I
ideal.
think the going past 2 drinks should happen not at a sit down, should happen when you can dance also. So that you're not just talking. Because if you're just talking, then the pressure of oversharing also increases because aur kitna baat karoge. But if there is no pressure, you can go dance and not really talk to each other for a while and then go back, chat a bit and then go dance again. I think that's a good way.
Yeah. Then you can get multiple drinks in.
Because you're making a good use of your high also in dancing. I think that's a better move.
Probably, yeah. I have a very serious question. What do you think of men who order mocktails?
Mocktail?
Yeah.
काफी interesting question है, काफी deep question है.
Yeah. Because I have a very genuine thought behind this. So what?
I think that's not cool. That's not cool, yeah.
It's not cool.
Yeah, I know. It's damn nice.
I'm not a big fan of mocktails anyway. Like, why are you drinking a fancy drink? It could just be a Coke.
I get that. I understand where you're coming from. But let's say I don't feel like drinking today. All my friends are drinking, having a good time. I want to participate, but not with alcohol. I order an ice pina colada, virgin.
Yeah.
And I will get
why there is that.
And I will get the I can't say those words now, but I will get shit like no one else will on this planet from these guys. Ki virgin pina colada kyun? Because I like a virgin pina colada, man. Like what the fuck is the
मुझे लगता है
problem?
कि anything that has virgin in it, you can't order on a date. You're giving it a sign that's that's how you'll end up.
बोलने वाला था कि that name should be a sign ना कि maybe I shouldn't think about ordering.
Yeah.
नहीं, but
I don't, see, that's the problem of boys, right? They can't be ordering a virgin drink, and announcing it to the world.
I will say non-alcoholic.
Yeah, I would say non-alcoholic pina colada is still fine.
Yeah.
But a virgin pina colada, I think.
The problem with that is when the waiter is taking your order.
Yeah.
Even waiter is giving me shit.
Oh, you mean virgin pina colada?
It's a virgin, na sir? अच्छा ठीक है.
Then they'll write
ऐसा वो लिखते हो.
And then, sir, I'll repeat your order.
Yeah.
Virgin pina colada.
And then
A virgin for sir.
Then when he brings it also, virgin pina colada for the man. See?
I feel like
The use of the word virgin 4 times in a date
It's
is just
bad,
not a
bro.
good.
I will never do it on a date. But I'm saying if I don't want to drink.
So you're a closet virgin mocktail drinker. Like.
I'm not closeted. मैं तो खुलेआम बोल रहा हूँ. I love a good non-alcoholic pina colada.
Non-alcoholic, yeah.
But why you making the bartender waste his time and skill?
Exactly.
if
That's
he's-
also my point.
Yeah, because his
Someone
skill.
else's drink is getting delayed.
Because of you and your
एक
bullshit.
second.
Drink a Fanta. If you want color.
चुपचाप
मेरे ड्रिंक में बाकी सब मेहनत भी चाहिए ना मेरे को.
क्यों
Why do I
चाहिए?
get to have a fucking Fanta and
Or
these
just
guys having
be fancy with it. Say, can I have a glass of pineapple juice with a dash of coconut milk?
Oh sir, you want a virgin pina colada? वो तो गाड़ मारने ही वाला है. Yeah, but you're saying it's society will look down upon people like me then.
Okay, so let's decide. Are we okay with society looking down upon us?
I don't
or we're
care
going to
about-
fight against society and comply to society standards?
Fuck society. I will have my virgin pina colada.
2 sips of alcohol and
He's already become that.
Yeah.
Hey.
counterculture. But
Listen, man.
I think Diet Coke or fresh lime soda, fresh lime water is a better pick.
Yeah.
Than,
Yeah,
don't have anything
100%.
colorful, anything which is like mocktail ke isme, like the word mocktail
Just-
only puts
Yeah.
me off.
I'll have
Yeah.
a green tea.
It's a
ऐसे बोल
mock-
सकते हैं, green tea.
Yeah, ask for an iced tea instead.
Iced tea.
कुछ तो ऐसा मंगा.
That-
Virgin pina colada is. It's not a good.
I'm just gonna order this.
Yeah. I think peach iced tea would be like really like
Yeah.
gold. Lemon is okay.
Lemon is basic.
Basic. Peach
Yeah.
iced tea.
Or some places have now new like hibiscus iced tea and stuff. You should go for something like that. ऐसा कुछ order कर कि किसी को समझे ही नहीं.
Sparkling water.
Sparkling water is a good move.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
With a wedge of lemon. Whoa.
Yeah.
I think
especially if you reach before the date and there is a Perrier with lemon, I'm like, oh, this guy is
Yeah.
like
Classy.
This guy drinks sparkling water.
Yeah, sparkling water I like. I only have sparkling water now on
Okay.
dates and stuff. I don't go on dates.
Another big Gen Z debate is who pays.
Yeah. The मेरे time में तो of course always the man has to pay.
Yeah.
Like
I think
without
the women didn't even try back then. They were like
The good
no,
old
no,
days.
no.
Good old
not even put up a fight.
हाँ,
कि- नहीं ठीक है.
Yeah.
It was also for the respect for the man. Care, let him have his respect.
See, this I like this take
Huh.
because a lot of now the debate has somehow people have like a lot of people say, oh, the guy should pay. Some people say they should split.
Yeah.
And some people say the person who has asked the other person on a date should pay.
Yeah.
Which I think.
So then you're scrolling down WhatsApp chat. Who
Going
asked
back
first?
up,
who made this?
आपका पहले message आया था. Actually, I was triggered by your message, so it was you.
Yeah. I think you should always offer to pay first of all. Like let's start from there.
Either you're a
Like,
man or a woman, right?
As a both.
Yeah.
Both.
That's what I feel. Yeah.
Then whoever pays is, I think I'm a little old fashioned. I think the guy should pay.
Yeah.
Same.
And you can't.
If the
be
girl insists, can the man say, okay, let's split?
say you pay next time.
You
My
pay
thing
next
is like
time,
you-
yeah.
you pay
Oh,
next
I think that's
And
good.
Why don't you get the next tab?
And then you go somewhere which is like not as pricey. The next, like next time you go have pani puri, you pay this time.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Very clever.
Yeah.
Nice one.
But
nice
then
one.
after 2-3 times they like figure it out. They're like, acha, okay.
Every alternate meal is expensive.
But it depends on the date also. Like if you're going for a movie, someone can buy the ticket, someone can buy the
popcorn,
snacks.
yeah.
But the popcorn is usually more expensive than the movie tickets itself.
Movie ticket पे तो 1+1 offer मिल जाता है.
हाँ,
Popcorn पे नहीं मिलता.
Popcorn में तो you have to like
Sell
put
your-
an FD down first.
FD तोड़नी पड़ती है वो पॉपकॉर्न के लिए.
And now something that I've noticed with popcorn is the sizes. It starts only from a large.
Yeah.
Like the regular is also a large.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
वो large, extra large and grande.
The
Yeah,
biggest
कुछ
one
तो-
is like they get a bucket. वो ऐसे 2 लोग उठा के लाते हैं popcorn.
Who can even eat so much popcorn? Like why are you selling so
It's
much?
just the look of it is nice. A big tub of popcorn looks nice,
Like
and people.
like macho, confident male.
Yeah.
Like who knows what he's doing. Getting so much popcorn.
and then not
Caramel.
being able to finish.
Yeah, but
What-
I usually offer to pay. Like I like take.
The onus.
Yeah, bro. Matlab just pay. Like you should. First of all, if you're going on a date, you should be able to afford it.
Yeah.
Like go on a date that you can afford. You can't like go somewhere and then have this stress throughout. Ki will she offer to split?
Or watching like what is she ordering? Like is she ordering?
Yeah, you should be comfortable
much.
enough to spend.
Yeah,
Okay.
shit like that.
इसने महंगी वाली वाइन ऑर्डर कर दी.
Fuck, now I have to get a.
फिर आप चेक कर रहे हो पीछे कितना लाए हो.
Because now college going kids are obviously a lot of them are on a budget. So going to a fancy bar, ordering cocktails though is not even like that's why in Bombay places like Old Street, Yacht, I don't know if you've been to these
No.
places. They're always packed with college kids drinking because
But those are still expensive places, bro.
matlab in
'Cause-
comparison because you can get a
Yeah.
quarter for
Fair, maybe.
like, it's like a quarter bar.
Ah, okay.
So you can order snacks and you can order and it's affordable for everyone. There's better date options, I feel like. This fancy idea of a romantic date where you order this cocktail, that's obviously not
For college kids.
Yeah.
It's not for everyone
Unless you
also.
come from like
yeah.
insane privilege.
Or you have to just save up for that date and then eventually go.
But if during the date, let's say you've saved up for this date and you realize the date is not going anywhere. I mean, she's going somewhere,
Yeah.
not with you. The date is not going anywhere. And then do you say, okay, let's split the bill? And because there's not going to be a second date, we both know it.
No, you just take
No,
the
you gotta take the L.
Take the L.
Take the L
कर दिया
and
है.
go home, tell your boys.
Yeah.
कि कट गया है.
कट
मुझे
गया
पता था
है.
मेरा कट रहा है, but
Yeah.
there's nothing I could do.
At least you'll save your dignity.
That's what a real man will do.
You'll take your
A
dignity with you.
sleazeball would say, "Acha now."
But when you go back to the boys and tell I made her pay,
Oh.
wouldn't that be like the ultimate boy thing?
I mean,
Sleep well.
If you have
This
those
doesn't
boys,
sit
you
right.
need better
Doesn't-
boys.
It doesn't sit right. Yeah. I made her pay. I showed her, man.
Yeah, you really
Bathroom-
showed her.
Yeah.
अकेला है तो घर पे क्या दिखाया उसको?
I told her I want to go to the washroom and I left.
Something.
Pull a Alan Harper.
Yeah. नहीं, these date rules are, I think everyone after a few dates figures out कि okay क्या करना है, because it's also like you're seeing trial and error, you're trying different things, different approaches. So many guys are so confused on dates. Like they don't know what to do, what to say, how much to talk about themselves,
Yeah.
how much to ask about them. Like, do you listen to, like, how much do you listen? How much is the onus on you to entertain? तो ये सब थोड़े dates के बाद समझ में आ जाता है कि what.
मेरे साथ तो रियल लाइफ में ऐसी होता है कि आई हैव टू फिल एन ऑकवर्ड साइलेंस. लाइक इफ नोबडी इज स्पीकिंग देन आई हैव टू स्पीक. एंड आई थिंक फॉर अ डेट लाइक अ फर्स्ट डेट would be very awkward. Like if the girl is not speaking, the boy has to come up with something and make sense or meaning of his life.
Yeah. Girls usually like it when the guy takes the lead. When it comes to like everything from planning the date to making sure like everything goes smooth and also taking charge of the conversation to some extent. Leading the conversation. Girls usually prefer guys who lead. So, but then also knowing how to do that comes with practice only. Like no one really knows ki kaise karna hai. Like sometimes you go and you talk, you think something is interesting and you say it. And as soon as you say it, you realize कि ये तो
if there could be control Z there. ये नहीं बोलना था बस.
Yeah. Like if you go and start talking about how much you lift at the gym, how many sets you do, like they're not interested. Like they're happy that you go to the gym. That's like the extent of that conversation. Uske baad like, oh, I did this much bench press. No one cares.
And then instead of ordering a cocktail, you order chas.
Yeah. Chas and chole is a solid first date.
First
and
date.
take a nap together after that, if it goes well.
Hey, that's not a good nap, bro, to take after chas and chole. It's going to be farting all in your sleep.
See, this is the kind of conversation you don't have on a date.
Yeah, you can't tell her that.
Can you just take the drink away?
Yeah. No more cosmos for you, sir.
I've gotten too comfortable.
Exactly. And I think that's what men are like. Once they feel that they have it, and that's when they lose it.
Yeah, because you start overdoing it.
Yeah. When do you draw the line? You just have to, every thought before it comes out, if you could just think.
Filter it and then let it go out.
Yeah.
But don't
on a date.
overthink it also, because that is, you can see that the person is overthinking everything they're saying.
कितना मुश्किल है यार for a boy.
मुश्किल तो है bro.
Yeah, for
मुश्किल
sure.
तो काफी है, and like it's something that guys have to learn. Like you have to learn how to speak in general and speak to women specifically, because it's a life skill that you need. Like not everyone's going to get as lucky as you.
For your first date only was success.
Good drink, yeah.
Yeah.
Very flavorful.
So
Pinky.
I don't usually like vodka at all. Like it's not smooth
But
enough
it's
for
meant-
me. But this one I liked.
So there's a story about why I got this vodka for this. So and I think the reason why I've picked these bottles, and I'll tell you why. First of all, I think there should be a story that you can tell your girl care. So if you're making cocktails at home, I think making an effort makes all the difference.
100%.
Showing that you are going that extra mile, or you made an effort, like become a pookie. Said कि मैंने ऐसा सोचा, मैं कितना cute हूँ. So like when you talk about this vodka, so this is like 7 times distilled and has organic wheat, some Sona Moti rice, uses Kashmir Valley water.
Oh, okay.
So then when you're talking about these things, like बंदे रिसर्च करी है. अभी बोतल ऐसे नहीं कि घर पे पड़ी हुई थी, अलमारी से निकाली है.
New
like मैं
bottle.
सोच के लेके आया, because I wanted this date to be very special.
Okay. Like I got a special bottle for this.
Yeah.
Special occasion.
Yeah. I found like the best vodka I could
Yeah,
find,
yeah,
and
yeah.
this is okay. Yeah, I see how that'll work. This is something that I've noticed. I think we spoke about it also, that this effort thing is really important.
Yes.
Yeah, girls like effort.
Attention to detail.
हाँ.
कि मतलब सोचा है इसने.
मुझे लगता है कि if you make like a pooky effort, like show the feminine side of you, I think that's very endearing.
Yeah.
That's what I feel.
Yeah. A good mix of masculine and feminine energy is very attractive.
Yeah.
Is what I've realized. If you can be vulnerable also.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he's so in touch with his emotions.
हाँ, but 2 drink पी के रोना नहीं है. At least not on the first date. Nothing wrong crying, but not on the first date.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't cry on the first
That's
date.
like after knowing
Like,
someone for
which
a while.
date can you like second, third?
Actually,
like, show the like,
Crying has to be after a year.
after.
You can't do it before a year.
And on
I
a
can't
date-
believe completed 1 year.
On a date, though, you shouldn't cry.
I'll
Ideally. Like
have
at
one.
home, you can.
Maybe
cry.
like a movie date, and it's a proper chick flick
that's
movie
where you can
and
show the emotional side.
ऐसा एक one tear will come, you show there's a tear, then you wipe it off. So.
But you have to show that there was a tear.
Yeah.
But what if you start crying?
I usually like I'll cry usually.
It depends on the movie also. ऐसा कोई वरुण धवन के पिक्चर में जाके रो दिया, ऐसा उसका कोई पिक्चर ही नहीं है. तो तुम रो सकते हो. कौन सा?
October if you've seen.
Okay.
But
No one has seen.
Badlapur
Badlapur is also pretty sad. Yeah, to be honest.
What happened to the recent movie? That Force.
Border. देखा किसी ने?
I only saw the memes of it.
पहले आहान शेट्टी को कमेंट करना पड़ेगा ना इस रील पे. कि वो आ रहा ना कि if Ahan Shetty comments on my reel, I will go watch Border 2. He's been commenting on reels.
Oh wow,
Okay.
So,
We should make a
so if
reel of this.
Ahan Shetty comments on this reel, then we
We will
all
go
four go
watch
watch
We'll
Border.
make a movie plan.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Movie date. 4 boys going on a movie date.
And crying.
How has
Yeah.
no movie theater cracked this idea of serving drinks?
I think
It's
you
not
need a
allowed. I
license.
think.
तो
It
license
should
तो
be. Na?
करो.
मतलब
License
you
तो
can make
कुछ
an
तो-
all-adult bar, all-adult movie theater.
No, there are fancy movie theaters where there's like only 20 seats, recliner proper, and they get everything from sushi to just all fancy food. But how is there no cocktail bar at a?
That is
Beer भी
interesting.
नहीं मिलती है
actually.
कहीं.
नहीं मिलती
Yeah, I
beer.
think it's not allowed. I'm assuming.
मतलब वो तो
because-
परमिशन लेने की बात है. मतलब
क्योंकि
you
वरना
can
अपना
serve
कोई तो
alcohol.
खोल लेता है ना.
You can show movie and why not both? Like
Yeah.
as long as you're legal drinking age.
लाइसेंस ही तो लाना है और इतना पॉपकॉर्न के पैसे का क्या करेंगे वो?
But I'm assuming there has to be something more to it. Because if till now no one's done it, that means.
Maybe people just don't associate the movie watching experience with drinking.
मैं तो अगर कभी वीकेंड पे पीता हूँ तो I watch a movie. I really enjoy watching a movie and having a drink.
Yeah, it's actually it's a fun combination of.
Especially like as a guy, if you put on a nice action film
हाँ.
with a glass of whiskey, oh, that is like watching John Wick while having whiskey.
हाँ.
That is how you show that you're Sigma.
But on a date, let's say if you have a house date, and and you're making drinks, is watching movie okay? Or should we because movie then you're not looking at each other.
Yeah.
Then it's about the movie.
Yeah, movie dates I think are the stupidest dates. Like for a first or second date, movie
first
dates
you
is
can't
not.
do.
Yeah.
First date you can't do because you're getting to know the
Yeah.
First date, of course. I don't think anybody is looking for that.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
But at what date you say कि चलो अब I think we've known each other well.
A fourth or fifth date, then you can be like, chalo, let's go watch a movie.
Yeah.
Because then there's no pressure also, is what
Because
I'm
the
assuming.
movie watching date is also a good test. Like if you go with someone who's constantly talking through the movie, then you're just like, okay, this person has no regard for like my viewing experience and also everyone else because everyone else.
क्योंकि अगर ये और या फिर बीच में सो गया वो important scene पे,
हाँ.
ये तो पूरी लाइफ ऐसी करेगा. Can I see myself with this guy?
Yeah.
Guy who sleeps during a movie.
Yeah.
Sleeping, I won't mind. ठीक है, someone might be tired or maybe they're not interested in the movie. That's okay. That's not a reflection of.
Hold hands. You're
Hold,
not interested in
yeah.
movie, मतलब make an effort. Say कि let's ditch the movie.
हाँ.
Let's go have some fun.
Yeah.
And that's a good thing. Instead of saying कि अब सो ही जाते हैं.
Yeah. Talking a lot during the movie, asking questions because you're watching the movie for the first time too. So
And asking question because you slept.
yeah,
इसने क्या बोला?
Yeah, that's not fun.
Yeah.
that puts me off, bro. That the movie thing I'm a little sensitive about because I really enjoy watching movies. I have this memory. I think when we had just moved to India, there was this movie theater in Pune, very close to our house, like walking distance. And back in Iran, I hadn't really watched a lot of movies in the theater because I was very young. And the movie watching experience in India is unlike any other. Like it's a ritual. Families plan Sundays, they go and watch it. My dad had taken us for Spider-Man 2, I think like within the first week that we had moved here. And Spider-Man 2 is just like a brilliant movie by itself. Watching it in a theater with people hooting, cheering, for the first time, like that memory is so dear to me. And that theater by itself is so dear to me because through my childhood, like any movie that would come, we would just walk to the theater, watch it. So now that has become like very sacred for me. If I go for a movie with someone and they ruin it, it just like, it bothers my inner child. It's like,
Yeah. You gotta respect the process of.
Bro went deep with a movie watching experience.
It is deep.
There are some things that, like activities that people find sacred, I think, because of maybe good memories that they've had as kids. Like some people really enjoy going to. Like I know someone who loves those bumper cars, just because they've had a good memory as a child.
Yeah.
Dashing cars.
Dashing cars. Yeah.
Should actually go, bro. That's also a fun date idea. Dashing cars.
Arcade is a great idea.
Arcade is a very good idea.
And now there are
Top
arcades
tier.
which serve alcohol.
Top tier. Just you can have a couple of drinks, go bowling.
Bowling, that's a
Yeah.
good activity.
Bowling, any activity, I think when there is some level of competition.
It gets a little.
Yeah, because then you can do banter, you can tease them a bit.
Yeah.
And then you can be cute also
Art
by letting
class.
them win.
Pottery workshop.
Pottery is good.
Yeah.
Sip and paint is also a new
Yeah,
thing,
sip and paint.
which I haven't really done yet, but I've heard it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So many first date ideas we're putting out there, and none of us are going. Two of us aren't going on any dates. अपन दोनों जा रहे भाई. क्या कर रहे हैं कल?
तुम दोनों प्लीज ये कॉस्मोपॉलिटन मत ऑर्डर करना यार.
Together तो it look bad.
What should they order together? if they go out to
I
go
think they have to exhibit to the world that they are comfortable with who they are and still comfortable with each other. So I think like
With each other. We are already with each other.
like old fashioned, like
Old fashioned is what?
like a whiskey, old fashioned whiskey. So whiskey cocktail with just whiskey and sugar and some
Sugar?
bitters. Yeah. So simple syrup.
Okay.
Simple syrup whiskey. So it's like sweetened whiskey.
Okay.
And some bitters. Some like spices. That's it. It's very macho drink. Comes with a large glass, liquid brown whiskey. That's I think the machoest of all drinks. So I think Cosmopolitan, the spectrum ends at old fashioned.
Okay. Is there like a goat cocktail list? Like, is there a tier list? Ki this is historically this has been the greatest cocktail. ऐसा कुछ list है क्या?
I think old fashioned would top the list.
Old fashioned.
Yeah, one of the most popular format of a drink. Goes well with any spirit. So you can make with like a rum old fashioned, whiskey old fashioned. You can make like an aged tequila old fashioned as well. So tequila old fashioned. I think tequila old fashioned would be that drink.
Okay.
Yeah.
A whiskey sour also is a
Whiskey sour,
great drink.
yeah.
Whiskey sour, now people are doing tequila sours also.
Yeah.
They are?
Yeah, it's really nice.
We gotta get.
I like sour drinks
Yeah.
in general.
It's very easy to make. Like just nibu, chini, egg.
Yeah,
Egg white.
whites.
Yeah, you get like nice foam on top, which comes from the egg protein.
Yeah.
What about like a gin and tonic?
I think gin and tonic is that drink which both men and women can like order, share, and still be okay with.
Yeah.
I used to drink a lot of gin and tonic.
Gin and tonic was my go-to also. First of all, it's so easy to order.
Yeah.
You don't even have to say the whole thing. You just can say GNT.
GNT, yeah.
GNT and they just
They know. They're not even wasting time. It's like the quickest cocktail to make
Yeah.
for them.
The bartender is happy.
Yeah,
bartender's happy,
bhi
you're
khush hai.
happy, you're
Achha
getting
liye.
it quickly.
Yeah.
And it tastes great.
Bartender can use that time to make a virgin pina colada.
Exactly.
Because tonic has some level of sweetness
Yeah,
to
yeah.
it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you don't even have to have
exactly.
anything. GNT, slice of lemon.
Yeah.
Perfect.
But I think when you're making GNT at home, I think so. Again, making an effort is a thing. But if you're making a GNT, how will you show that effort? I think that effort can come from the garnish that you add.
Yeah.
If she likes
Cucumber का slice cut
Cucumber
करके,
slice अगर आपने
put it in a
cleanly,
glass.
हाँ, and उसको ऐसे roll करके,
roll करके, then
you know
little
she knows that you can roll.
Yeah.
Another life skill.
Another life skill. I meant roll with the times.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
Should we do a GNT?
Let's do a GNT.
We'll try.
So we
yours.
have two gins here.
Okay.
I got a pink gin. So this is what I think the Gen Z is drinking.
Yeah, what is with the pink gin?
So it's just the floral botanicals.
Okay.
So this is called the City of Pink Gin by Samsara.
Okay.
And this you'll always find in all bars.
It's always there in the
It's
shelves.
always there.
Yeah.
And it makes like a beautiful pink GNT.
Okay.
Yeah, let's make one.
Is the taste any different though?
Yeah, it
Okay.
tastes floral.
Okay.
City of Pink as in like Jaipur.
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 Is it from Jaipur? This.
It is
I think Samsara
made
is
in
from-
Delhi, I think.
Okay.
I don't know where it is made.
Handcrafted in India.
Goa.
Even the bottle, no?
गोवा में बन रही है. गोवा बन रही है.
गोवा में तो सभी बन रहा है.
Yeah, but I think they have different range of gins.
Okay.
Like इनकी एक है Veil of Paradise,
Okay.
which has kawa tea and saffron.
Oh,
So they
wow.
pay homage to Kashmir. उस पे लिखा है उर्दू में वादी सुरूर.
Okay.
उर्दू में लिखा है बॉटल में वादी सुरूर.
Damn.
Nice.
You will be able to read that.
Yeah.
This is the clear one.
Samsara I've heard a lot about.
I used to drink a lot of samsara, but I never had the pink
The thing
one.
I like about gin is like they put the ingredients.
Yeah.
The ingredients sound so like Himalayan seeds,
देखो
vetiver
कॉन्फिडेंस
grass.
से मैंने 60 ml नाप दिया ऐसे.
Yeah.
Just
You
eyeball
gotta,
it.
you gotta teach people how to do
This
it.
is a home drink, so
Yeah, yeah.
you
Yeah.
free pour.
Exactly.
But 3-second rule, na?
3
3 seconds is very long.
No, that's
I've never
60.
done a plank.
That's how much your 60 comes in.
Juniper berries.
So the idea is to not over drown with the tonic.
With the tonic.
So I would say 60 ml gin, add not more than 100 ml of tonic. Ideally 60, but then sometimes
1:1.
becomes 1:1 or 1:1.5. Yeah, and then a garnish. I think let's put a strawberry.
Ooh, we're going fancy.
Yeah. So just of course you can put on a skewer also, or you can just drop it. It's fine.
Oh.
Oh, this.
Or
this
like
just
or put it
looks
like this. Like
delicious.
Let's go.
Yeah. So this is the look at the color. The
Yeah.
pink.
It has a pink tint.
Yeah, taste it. So it's different from like a regular gin.
The-
It has that
yeah.
floral taste.
This is so much better than normal gin, bro.
How do you like the strawberry on top?
I'll have it.
Yeah.
It's going with your shirt also.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's really
You have
good.
to have this.
I've never tried a pink chip.
Even I had never tried it. It's really nice.
Yeah, it has a floral.
Yeah.
It tastes like rose a bit.
In general, I think the pink drinks are on a rise.
Yeah.
I think people not looking for something dark.
You know,
Yeah.
And then white is just like clear is just too boring.
clear is too basic.
Yeah. So this is like something.
Yeah.
Some cue to the eye,
Yeah.
some visual.
Yeah, you need a bit of color.
Tastes like love.
It's nice.
It's
no?
like exactly.
Yeah.
This is something that you can say, on the day.
Yeah.
It's like love.
Just like you.
I think that's what's वही एक crossover.
Yeah. Oh, see again. Men,
You're
get it.
you're almost there.
He
man.
said tastes like
And then you
love.
lost.
Perfect.
One
Then he had
virgin pina colada, please.
So good, bro. It'll taste like love. उसके बाद खुद को ही डाल दिया तूने.
Yeah. I see. I'll hold
But
back.
are you guys actually planning on going on any dates? You have like
Plan
2
to kar.
weeks.
We have 2 weeks
bro,
to talk to
it's,
someone.
How many days till D-Day? D-Day is 14th.
Exactly 2
Yeah.
weeks.
2 weeks till the day.
Yeah.
So we have like a few days to figure out.
So let's say now that we have a couple of days for Valentine's Day. If we were to like list out 5 things that boys should keep in mind, related to alcohol, let's say, and summarize. What would those 5 things?
Don't overdrink
Okay.
on your date.
Yeah. No virgin drinks.
No virgin drinks. Match the pace.
Match the pace.
Match the pace.
You have to see how the other person is, how fast the other person is drinking.
Correct.
Yeah.
You can't be more or less drunk. You have to be the right amount.
Yeah, the
of
right
drunk.
amount.
Yeah. And also gauge how drunk they're getting. Because some people have a higher tolerance,
Yeah.
lower tolerance.
Yeah.
You might have a low tolerance.
Yeah.
Don't be a people pleaser.
Yeah,
Like in that.
don't go drink for drink just for the sake of going it.
Yeah.
Like if they can drink 5 drinks and be okay,
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're
No,
just
you have to-
plastered
yeah.
after 5 and you're just like
तू गिर रहा है भाई, then it's not a good look.
yeah.
because then the date is done.
Yeah.
Date
Yeah.
is done.
Yeah.
Like you can't have your date taking care of you on the first date.
That's true. I don't think you're meeting again then.
Yeah.
You'll be like, oh, this guy is too much like too
It's
irresponsible.
baggage. It's baggage.
Baggage it from day one.
Day 0 से ही baggage निकला तो क्या?
Then what else? Put some thought and effort
Yeah.
into the drink.
Be a pookie.
Yeah.
Make an effort.
Be cute with
Yeah,
your
be
drink.
cute.
Yeah. Get a storyline behind every drink.
Yeah.
That is smart. Like with the love
with the love, the
Yeah.
Then even the vodka, like I got this
Kashmir
for
Valley
you.
water.
Kashmir Valley water से लेके आया हूँ मैं.
मेरा प्यार उतना ही पाक है जितना
see?
कश्मीर का पानी.
See, we're making things up and going. We
No,
just need
everyone
a
who's
date
watching
now.
this is using the same line. All these girls are like, ये सब कहाँ से
But
आ रहा
anyways,
है?
इस podcast की वजह से women audience है.
है.
No, so there's a women audience because they want to see what guys are thinking about them. So it's for their research. So now all these moves that we have discussed, they know.
मेरी तो women audience कम है. तो मेरा डेटा दिखाता है 92% मेल्स. लॉन्डो को दारू पीनी है and 8% women.
It'll be funny though if all the boys like go on dates, they tell the girl Kashmir water, all of this. Then all the girls also meet each other like मेरे बंदे ने Kashmir water. She's like मेरे भी. That'll be so much fun, bro. Like chain effect.
फिर एक बोलेगी मेरा बार डिफरेंट था. उसने मुझे पिंक जिन पिलाई.
Yeah.
That जयपुर वाली पिंक जिन.
Yeah.
Floral.
And he said it tastes like love.
Love. Very original.
But should you, like, don't you think some girls will find it a red flag if you're pushing on the first date being like an alcohol drinking date?
Yeah.
They might be like, oh, let's get coffee instead.
Yeah. And so like, नहीं एक पीते हैं ना. Because you also want to like calm your senses.
Yeah.
And I think millennial way we're thinking होती थी कि यार let's get drunk both of us and then it'll be more fluid.
Yeah.
It's not cool to ask somebody to drink if they don't
Yeah.
want to.
Yeah. Don't be pushy.
Yeah, never.
I think that's very desperate.
Yeah, nowhere to stop basically.
Should I tell him our move when we go out and we see one of us talking to a girl?
You can tell me there's nothing I can do much. I can't do much about it. But
No, it's not like that. It's just like, it's funny because but this you can only do at a bar considering everyone is already drinking.
Yeah.
So if I spot one of them talking to a girl, now he shouldn't be telling her ki let's have a shot. I will go to them with shots.
For
and
both of them?
Both of them and me also. Like, guys,
So it
let's
doesn't
have a
look
shot
awkward,
together.
yeah.
Let's have a shot together. So then he looks like he can also be like, "Arey bro, no." And then
वो तो करना पड़ता है स्टार्ट में थोड़ा. ये नहीं क्या कर रहा है भाई. ये बस. Come.
so then I can take the blame, but they are getting drunk.
Yeah.
It's like a
Sorry about my friend.
Sorry about my friend. He's an alcoholic.
Yeah. So that is like a nice.
That's a nice wingman move.
Yeah.
Because as a wingman, I think people get something wrong about being a wingman. They think they have to talk a lot, they have to do a lot of the talking. But being a wingman is small.
Is staying away.
It's just gestures. Yeah.
Just get them there and then like take 2 steps back.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
just leave at the right time.
Yeah. But what if the girl says, "Ke I don't like your friend. You have to choose between me or him."
Oh, if it's these guys, this girl's gotta go. Like, come on.
After the date, of course.
No. During
right then.
Right then and there. Like,
You can choose.
Yeah.
You can choose the girl
no.
for a while. We're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Exactly.
We've been around.
It's not that he's going to get offended. ठीक है.
We've been
नहीं,
around
but
for too long now.
वापस तो घर ही आना है.
Exactly.
No, but then there's no future
She
with
comes
this girl,
home and
right?
sees us.
If there's no future with this girl,
At
then
the bar,
I'm
you're
not-
But then you
looking
can
for the
make her
future.
pay for that drink.
नहीं,
इस केस में नहीं.
I won't. I'll never make a girl pay for like whatever food,
For
drinks.
choosing to go on a date with you.
She's paying for it.
She's paying a big price. She's paying a big price.
She's paying a very big price.
When was the last time you went on a date?
I went.
On a second date, let's put it like that.
Okay, let's not go there. First, I've not been,
बहुत यार ये तो तुम बहुत nasty हो गए हो यार.
This is nothing.
It's a strawberry drink.
Yeah. We start thinking about love.
You take a sip
Yeah.
and then think about that.
Give me the other one also.
Chug both at the same time.
Cheers.
This is why you can't hold that glass.
Yeah.
Supposed to hold it from the stem.
Okay.
Like this only, no?
Yeah.
How are you supposed to hold it though? Yeah, like what's the right way?
So to the stem. See, the idea is why these cocktails or wine glasses have shape like this. So you see, there's no ice in this glass.
Yeah.
So this is like heating up as we speak, right? Warming up as we speak, and so you can't hold the glass like this because with your hand warmth, this will get warm.
Okay.
So the idea is the stem keeps your hand away from the drink.
Okay.
Same with wine because you don't add ice to wine or some cocktails, so that it doesn't get warm.
Or even beer has a beer.
Beer has a mug. Yeah.
Yeah, it has a.
But some
The
beers,
handles.
like some lagers can actually benefit, or some ales can benefit from your warmth.
Okay.
So then you have a pitcher glass. Some glasses,
So like at a brewery, you will see those.
some notes will wake up with that rise in temperature. So so different beers also will have a different glass.
There's a science to this, bro. Like
Yeah,
this
there is a lot.
whole alcohol thing, people just think, oh, we are going for drinks, but like there's a lot of
You
thought.
can drink.
There's a lot of thought that goes into all of this.
Yeah.
Even with like these new cocktail bars, with the way they craft their drinks, it's not just taste
Yeah.
that they're thinking about. Like, they're like scientists over there putting one dropper of this and that.
So that fire thing also they use, and
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, another good way of ordering drinks is just asking the server for the recommendation.
Yeah.
Say, this is the flavor I like, this is the spirit I like, suggest something.
Yeah.
So you know exactly what you want.
Yeah.
And
That
say,
looks also
I like I sour drink.
Yeah.
I would prefer a tequila, and then let somebody else decide.
Yeah. Because then also it's like, oh, he has taste. And you get rid of the problem of, oh, he's a regular here who knows the usual.
Yeah. Pretend like you don't know anything.
Yeah. Okay, I'm learning.
Yeah.
You can also teach me.
Have you been to this place? Have you been to Bombay Duck?
Nahi.
So you should go. It's a very nice place where
In Mumbai.
yeah,
Yeah.
they play like old retro Bollywood only. They have very good chakna. The menu is like only exclusively chakna.
Yeah.
And the drinks are all like they've got their own special drinks, and they have seating at the bar also, where the drinks are made in front of you, and the kitchen is on the right, so you see the food also being prepared. It's like a really good spot.
I was reading yesterday, a new cocktail theatre has opened in Delhi. Sunny Leone has opened a cocktail theatre.
Okay.
Essentially, they make cocktails on your table. They make it and tell some story and mix it up. I've not been there, just heard about it.
It's
Interesting.
like that Japanese guy. Have you seen that
Yes,
Japanese
yeah, yeah.
bartender?
Oh, that ice
Yeah.
guy.
Yeah.
Which ice?
And then he like spins the
magical-
thing.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it.
And then goes like that.
Chopping the ice up like it's a sculpture.
Yeah.
It's beautiful to watch.
It's theater, bro. It's like
Yeah.
proper.
It's entertainment, no? At the end of the day.
I like, but this culture, this new cocktail culture coming in. Like, I met you at India Cocktail Week
Yeah.
also. Bro, you guys should have seen him at India. He was like a celebrity, bro. Like
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, bro. He's like the Shah Rukh Khan of cocktail. I was trying to have a conversation with him. Not 1 second would go by without like people coming and taking pictures.
So I think my core audience
Was there.
Yeah, core audience was there. So like when I go to the gym, very few will recognize me because like I'm alien to that audience.
Yeah.
Somebody's going to the gym is probably not drinking
Yeah.
or not learning about alcohol anyway. And then the extreme end is like a cocktail event. So it goes between gym and a cocktail event.
How was that experience for you?
It's always fun. So I have a rule that if anybody wants a picture, always,
Yeah.
Yeah.
even if it takes an hour, 2 extra. That's why we are doing it, right? That is,
Yeah.
That's why I started for people to know me.
Hmm.
In fact, I remember this dialogue by SRK. SRK doesn't do it anymore, but he said, long ago, he said, I don't wear sunglasses because then people won't recognize me. And why I've been doing all this, so the people recognize me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but from what I saw, everyone was coming with a lot of love.
Yeah.
Like they were just like,
I think that's what I was at this Sula Fest yesterday. There were 2 people who hugged me and said, I love you. Men. 40, 45-year-old men give me a hug and said, I love you. I think men really bond over alcohol. Otherwise, they don't open up anyway.
Yeah.
They keep everything bottled up. It's when they drink alcohol, that's when they open up. And then they overshare. Because otherwise, they don't share at all. They keep it all bottled up.
yeah, but this though runs very deep into like history also. Like there are recorded rituals where people would have a conversation and do a debate over a topic sober, and then they would have a few drinks and have the same debate and then see what happens. And also in Greece they had the whole symposia. It was a thing where it was essentially just a party where people would go and it was mandatory for you to get drunk, like really drunk, where people would crawl out of it after 2 days. But like they would go get really drunk and discuss culture, discuss like art, dance, talk about everything and like come up with new ideas, like just develop new culture while they're doing that. And this is something that they would do often and often. So this is like, this goes way back.
Yeah.
We got to throw a party like that, bro.
Yeah.
Where everyone
we do
comes.
that, but culture कुछ discuss नहीं
अभी वो थोड़ा बदल गया है ना वो टाइम पे तो first of all you were talking about Greece. This is where all these philosophers came from.
I feel like men become very philosophical when they're drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like everyone thinks they're
like a massive point of view.
yeah.
They start discussing politics.
Politics though is a favorite, hot favorite topic.
I remember we used to throw parties when we were younger.
Yeah.
There would be people dancing, people doing whatever, and then in the balcony there would be like a circle of guys who have grown up way faster than they should have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 18-year-olds who are now wearing shirts.
मतलब ICSC में पढ़े हैं ये लोग तो उनको लगता है कि मेरे को पॉलिटिकल डिबेट करना है पार्टी के बीच में.
हाँ, whiskey पीते
You know, I think क्यों भाई
या फिर वो दूसरा होता है सर्कल होता है क्रिकेट का.
Cricket.
yeah
नहीं खेलना नहीं आता है इसको.
yeah
इसको निकाल देना चाहिए टीम से.
So whiskey पीते बोला नहीं आता है भाई.
Catch छोड़ा यार उसने. Catch, how could he do that? As if you were there, you would have caught it, Ben.
another side to see is drunk men watching India's match. They're like भाई कैसे catch छोड़ा how did he get
भागना
out
साले
like
भागना.
The stomach delivery.
yeah
What do you think about drinking alone?
I don't mind it. Though, so I'll tell you the logic is that if you are drinking alone, then you are called an alcoholic. But if you know that you can stop at number of drinks, 1, 2, and want to enjoy, why do you have to? Why does alcohol have to be
Social.
Stigma around alcohol? And we've crossed that age. Yes, our parents kept it like secret from us in their almirah. But we now have bars in our homes, right? Why do we have that stigma that somebody who drinks in the afternoon, somebody who drinks alone, and why do you have to give a tag alcoholic?
Yeah.
I mean, that knowing when to stop is a big factor, and also the frequency of it. It's like even if you're doing 2 drinks every day, that's a lot. That's a lot of drinking.
I to say that once a week is also
a lot.
It's a lot, yeah.
So from what I've heard about all of this, I think Huberman has a whole episode about alcohol, and he said the problem is the regularity of it. So even if you're drinking just on the weekend, like one day, that means every weekend you're drinking. So the fact that it's a
habit now.
It's a habit. That is the problem. He's like, it doesn't matter then. Even if it's once a week, it's still bad.
Yeah.
So, but then it's so difficult if you're trying to have a social life in a city. Like for a lot of people who go to work, like the only thing they can do is go to a bar after work.
Yeah.
So like there are activities, but like taking the time out and just like having people to come and do that activity with you. For a drink, everyone is ready.
Yeah.
Like you will have all your friends come.
Like we need to have one social activity which is probably as fun as drinking.
yeah
Where people can indulge in.
So
What would be that activity? If not drinking, what would you do?
So Gen Z has run clubs. They do run clubs, which is also healthy.
Can you like go after office? Chalo, bhagne chalte hain.
No, after
no,
office,
this is-
After office activity.
that's like a Sunday morning thing.
yeah this is like college kids mostly, or maybe like just people who are starting jobs.
And they use it as a tool to meet people.
It's like a networking thing.
Yeah,
only
yeah.
now.
It's like a dating app only. In a way, where you go and you meet people. And also there is that added factor of if they've come for a run club, they might have their shit together.
Yeah.
Because
If you're getting up at 5 a.m., 6 a.m. on a Sunday, then have a shit together for sure.
Yeah.
They also do like these morning raves and stuff where
Coffee raves.
coffee raves and stuff.
Which is cool, I think.
It's
I
pretty
think
cool.
having the option is a good thing. Personally, I am too like also being a DJ, like being in that surrounding all the time. Like I look at partying as a nightclub thing. So doing a morning rave just doesn't sit right with me. But I think it's a good option for people to have.
I think if there's a networking event or an activity where you're not drinking alcohol, or it's a very healthy event, right?
Yeah.
Healthy networking.
Music festivals also great, I think, even though there is.
But there's about alcohol and.
I mean, it's an
It's
option.
easily available, but you can choose not
You
to.
can do it without. Like,
Can you
do
enjoy a music event without like getting a little tipsy?
100%.
It just elevates the experience for me. Like
yeah. So
yeah.
if
For
most
you,
people,
if you
for
know
most
that
people.
you can have a couple of drinks and have more fun, you would
Yeah.
obviously want to do that.
Yeah.
But I've had fun without also. Like I've had phases where I actually saw a reel that you did that you said you should do this as a practice where you go 1 month without drinking just to see if it's become a habit or not. Which is good, I think.
Because if you've seen my bar, like I'm surrounded with alcohol. I have to tell myself, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta know where to draw the line.
Yeah.
Stop.
It's the same for us. At home, we have a lot of alcohol. There's like, first of all, brand sends us like alcohol. Whenever we do a gig, they give us a bottle. So, and we don't drink at all gigs, so you can just get the bottle home. So that collection is just building. It's also a gift that it's the easiest gift to give someone if you're going to their house, a bottle. So that collection keeps accumulating. And also for us, we have ample opportunity to go and drink whenever. Like there will be an event that you can go for. So
Free drinks and like it's
Yeah,
an open
open bar.
Yeah, of course.
So
So then it becomes important to be careful and not get lost in that. Because we've seen people.
lost, like fully lost.
Yeah.
Like I don't see like there are a lot of events now or parties where you do a BYOB. Still, people now arrange like they used
Now
to be like
it-
some 10
yeah.
years ago. People would like cheap out and say, okay, this is a BYOB.
But I also feel probably the circles we're in are different now. That's the reason why they're
I
organized.
mean, we're a lot older and
We're also older now.
College
I'm
ke
assuming
time pe you
kids
can-
still do it. College
I
kids
do
might still
enjoy
be doing it.
BYOB though. I think it was the most fun thing.
BYOB used to be too much fun because you'd have to hide your bottle somewhere. तो कोई तो भी आके
And वो
खत्म कर
पूरा
लेगा.
ड्रिंक लेके नहीं जाओगे, like a
Yeah,
quarter लेके
you have to
जाओगे
take a half.
कि मैं तो इतना ही पीऊंगा.
Huh.
It's too much.
And then by the end of the party, everyone's drinking.
Yeah.
There is no.
There's nothing that's yours.
Yeah,
you can't take out like कि मेरी आधी बच गई हम घर ले आऊंगा.
Yeah,
नहीं कर
नहीं
सकते
नहीं
ना.
नहीं वो तो उधर ही खत्म हो जाता
If you brought it to the party, it's for the party.
है. Yeah. It's done.
And also you become generous na after a couple of drinks.
अरे यार यार
You have.
तेरे लिए
तेरे लिए.
large तेरे लिए.
And if someone comes and says, "Oh, I didn't bring anything," you're not letting them not get.
Yeah.
Yugu was in this group when we were younger who would organize house parties. There's 4 or 5 boys.
Yeah.
And they would charge people how much?
We would charge like whatever, like a basic amount.
500 नहीं 200
No, it was like a 300 to 500 entry.
How back this is like
This is when we were
first year of college.
before first year of
Okay.
college, like after 12th.
okay.
So we had this rule कि 300-500 लेंगे. Free alcohol and free food.
Oh.
Now we didn't
What's the
specify.
ticket? You're arranging alcohol.
Yeah,
and
and
it's a
food
ticket.
also.
Ah.
Now what the alcohol and what the food is, we will not mention.
Ah.
So we got the cheapest pizza there is, like just margarita, onion if we're feeling,
Generous.
like extremely generous.
The margins
Tomato
are
if
good.
it's business is
ज़्यादा हो
booming.
गया.
And the alcohol we had at that party was the Romanov vodka. Have you ever had that
हाँ,
before?
seen that. Seen that.
See
I've
that.
heard about it.
Yeah,
Like a
we've heard of the
mythical-
legend.
It's the worst vodka you'll ever have. Like no disrespect, but it's bad. And what else did we have? Like Blue Riband gin. Like it
Yeah,
was a
yeah.
small bottle. We got the big one.
And Royal Stag whiskey.
Royal Stag.
IB.
IB था क्या?
IB था.
IB क्या था?
Imperial.
Blue.
Imperial Blue.
Oh, then we splurged a little bit. I think of that one.
And Old Monk, obviously.
Old Monk
Old
is
Monk,
for
of course, yeah.
everyone.
Classic,
Like
that's a
everyone, most men there would
Old
drink
Monk is, I think, the only drink that cuts across economic segments.
Yes.
है ना?
Exactly.
The thing with Old Monk is it's not bad rum.
Yeah, it's not.
It's
But there are better rums out there. But
of course,
हाँ.
but it's only cheap because it's Indian. Like that.
Indian also. It comes from a byproduct of sugarcane industry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but
It's very expensive abroad. Like
low
very
cost of
expensive.
production. And
He said, so he's been to London a bunch of times, and he said it's really expensive.
Yeah, over
because
there to
it's an
buy a
import.
bottle, it's an imported good na there. उधर महंगा है. Like
So
for
there
us.
people look at Old Monk and are like, oh wow, like
Yeah,
it's an
oh,
expensive
fancy.
rum.
Either
Indian delicacy.
Yeah.
अपने इधर वॉचमैन पी रहा है.
हम भी पी रहे थे.
हाँ,
वही तो
मतलब
across हर कोई पी रहा है.
Yeah.
everyone drinks it.
यहाँ पे एक्चुअली हम ओल्ड मंक के इमोशन से बाहर ही नहीं आ पा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
ओल्ड मंक तो इमोशन है.
Yeah.
It's been a while though since I've had.
I never had it. I could just, my body could not do it.
It's been a few years, I think.
Few से ज़्यादा भाई.
More than a few, yeah.
Yeah.
We should do an old monk night.
अब मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं ओल्ड मॉन्क को वीडियो करूँगा ना, it will have more views.
Yeah.
But I just can't bring myself to doing a video.
Yeah.
Is there any rum that you would recommend?
I like this Kamikara rum. Same people who make this Kashmir vodka. So it is made of pure sugarcane juice.
Okay.
While Old Monk is made of molasses. It's a
Okay.
byproduct.
Okay.
But pure sugarcane juice से बनी है. It's and aged like a whiskey. So the color comes from the wood and not added color. So like in Old Monk they add caramel, they add some color. But this is actually aged in a wood. So wood का color आता है सारा. And you'll know actually taste the difference कि molasses से बनी है और pure sugarcane juice से बनी है. Much palatable.
What's the best way to have rum? Like,
One cocktail that I always make with dark rum, not white rum. Dark rum is dark and stormy. Simple cocktail, 3 ingredient, dark rum, lime juice and ginger beer, non-alcoholic ginger beer.
Okay.
Virgin if you virgin ginger beer. So it's simple 3 ingredient. Yeah.
so
But what about a rum and coke?
मुझे लगता है then you're drinking coke.
Okay.
I don't add coke to anything.
no, but rum is sweet. Coke is
Yeah,
also
but
sweet.
it's like a ring, na? Like how we say gin and tonic. Rum and coke is like a very
Yeah, it's very macho,
simple,
right? Rum
yeah.
and coke. Like this guy knows what he's doing.
I'll have a rum and coke. Rum and diet coke, that's too much.
Rum and diet coke. Yeah.
just
That's too much.
That's when you cross the line.
Yeah, you've crossed the line.
the line we were talking
The
about.
line, if you're crossing, that's Old Monk and water, I feel. If you're drinking Old Monk and water, as
That, so then you have to put one finger in and then put one
Yeah.
drop out and then drink it.
That's how you started.
And open the
you need to find a rehabilitation center also.
With the plastic glass, you have to have it.
Oh my
Plastic
god,
disposable.
I'm getting...
Nauseous just
Yeah,
thinking
I've
about
seen
it.
people have it and throw up and it's the worst.
So मैंने एक वीडियो किया था
ever.
on the glasses. So I talk about कि ये ऐसा ग्लास क्यों होता है, स्टेम वाला, flimsy ग्लास ये. So उस पे बहुत सारे कमेंट है. That video went viral. And उस पे बहुत सारे कमेंट्स हैं. हमारे लिए तो 5 रुपए का डिस्पोजल. So they're not calling disposable. They say disposal.
Disposal.
5 रुपए का डिस्पोजल ग्लास.
Yeah. We have, like, I have seen that circle of the 4 guys who regularly sit at the same spot with the disposable glass.
Yeah.
So me and Yugu have grown up in the same locality in Pune. And there was this like line of shops. So it's like 2 kirana stores, 1 stationery store, 1 cafe, and one
liquor
wine shop.
Wine shop.
The world.
So,
That's
Yeah, the whole world is there. The whole world
like
is there.
a small society. So they would go to the wine shop, pick up their quarter, go to the
Side का दुकान.
kirana,
Peanuts.
pick
हाँ,
up peanuts,
नमकीन उठाएगा.
peanuts and
Soda,
soda or water.
हाँ.
Then stationery set disposable glass.
सबका बिजनेस एकदम है ना.
और ये सब के बाजू में उधर पीछे there are 4 chairs
बस.
with 1 curtain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
They would open the curtain, go every day. These people would sit there, and there is some beauty in that, I think.
Yeah.
Like even though it's like degenerate behavior,
हाँ.
like you don't know what is happening after that once they go home.
Yeah. But
But
every
it's like
day
that-
from 9 to 12, they will sit there.
That friendship is beautiful. I think
Yeah.
they bond over that.
I think जब मैं जनता बार गया मुंबई में,
मुंबई
तो I was feeling guilty यार, you know, should I be here? So I know जनता बार has a lot of emotion and
Yeah.
Yeah.
you buy whatever you, but you feel कि it's too dingy.
हाँ.
कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. है ना?
Like
It's
some
not- it's still
shady
better.
things happening,
हाँ.
ऐसा लग रहा है.
मेरे बाजू में बैठा ये इंसान
But
तो ठीक
abhi
है कि
to
नहीं.
now cool
Yeah.
people are only
Yeah,
going
yeah.
there. Like the
Now it's-
conversations are happening in English at Janta Bar.
Because हम मूवी देखते थे कि जनता बार जैसे जो बार होते थे वहीं पे सारी डीलिंग होती थी.
Yeah.
हाँ.
वो सूटकेस एक्सचेंज होते थे.
Yeah.
अब तो it's like more on reels. They'll be like, oh, Janta Bar is a hidden gem.
Hidden gem.
सब बच्चे जाके उधर फिर दारू पीने लगते हैं.
My problem with bars like that is it's too loud. Like you can't. Everyone is talking over each other, so you can't really.
You can't be like a sober person at that place. 'cause-
It's like you do it once for the experience, but I would any day prefer like a speakeasy. And
Classy.
Speakeasy is classy.
But it's nice, bro. Like if you
Yeah.
have been like now in Bombay, they've opened so many nice like vinyl bars where the music is only on vinyl.
हाँ.
Oh, really?
Like,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, bro. And it's
गोवा में भी है, गोवा में भी है.
Goa, we've been to a
Goa has the best
speakeasies.
cocktail culture.
Yeah,
Easily.
100%.
I
In
think the
India.
spectrum is वो disposable glass to the speakeasy
Yeah.
वाले Japanese glasses.
Yeah.
और disposable glass भी ना वो उसमें भी range होती है.
Yeah, the cheapest one.
Cheapest वाला जो होता है जो fold हो जाता है.
Correct.
Like you
इसमें
can
lines
actually-
रहते हैं,
हाँ,
lines
रहते हैं, you
रहते
can
हैं
fold it.
Yeah.
Like I saw a reel where this guy opens his wallet, takes a disposable glass, unfolds it and drinks.
दूसरे जेब में quarter है. He'll start pouring. Oh.
This have you seen those reels where these guys like sit like somewhere, it's like just like dust mud, they put some chatai,
हाँ.
then they remove their bottle and they're just making a reel with their snacks in the middle.
Yeah.
वो
It's like
ऐसे
the
करके-
it's like the village cooking without the cooking.
yeah. Village cooking wala, that uncle passed away, you know.
Oh.
You know that
No.
uncle who used to make
हाँ.
like
No, a while ago though.
yeah, he would say salt.
Yeah,
And,
it's been a while.
Yeah.
okay, chalo. Do you have a Valentine's Day plan?
So this is the first time, since our daughter was born, we're going on an international trip without her.
Without her.
Without
so,
her,
yeah.
it'll
So
be
we're
fun.
going-
For her.
Yeah, she's gonna enjoy now.
so we're going to Prague and Vienna.
Okay.
Ooh, we're
Nice.
gonna have some fancy cocktails there, huh? I bet.
Beers, Pilsner, Czech beers.
I've heard they have like really good pub crawls in
Yeah.
Prague.
But my wife doesn't drink, so
Okay.
and I don't think she should take care of me on.
So
my
you'll do
Yeah.
the crawling.
will not be crawling. Very respectfully drinking.
Yeah.
But I think Prague is a good balance of both party and
Yeah.
like historical
Culture, yeah.
sites and culture. So I think it'll be a fun
Should be
trip.
fun, yeah.
Yeah, Prague is on my list, bro. I have heard so much about it.
Prague is a party capital also.
Apparently, there's a lot of scamsters also, so you should be careful.
I've seen some videos. Yeah.
They come and
Taxi
throw
ka-
something down and they'll be like, is this yours? And they charge you money for it and all.
Yeah.
Hai, kafi hai.
Prague is like one of the most scammy cities.
Yeah. But taxi, they do a lot of scams. Restaurant scam. बहुत कुछ हो रहा है.
बहुत hai.
So, I mean, but getting scammed is also a story.
It's a cost of the trip.
Yeah.
You
And
factor it in.
like 50 euros extra.
And then just come on a podcast and say, oh, I got scammed in
yeah.
Prague. That's a lot of views. So it's like an investment.
Yeah.
Investment.
So now we go and get scammed as much as you can.
Yeah.
What are the best drinking cities in the world?
I think New York would have has a great speakeasy culture. London. When I went to I did not find that culture in Scotland. In fact, in Scotland, I found like Scotch very expensive. But London has great drinking culture. Like, for beers, for cocktails, speakeasies, and you have the Scotch bars, whiskey bars, whiskey and cigar bars.
Oh.
So their taste is like
Yeah.
evolved.
Whiskey and cigar. Man.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is there anything more manly than that?
Yeah. And old fashioned.
Yeah.
And you jam it on the table.
It's a leather couch.
Leather couch. Fuck me, get my cigar.
Hold the cigar like that.
Yeah.
Are there any underrated cities that maybe people don't know about, but they have like a great drinking culture?
Ahmedabad.
As underrated as it
Underrated.
gets.
Under everything.
Under the radar.
Under the table drinking culture.
So a lot of people comment on my reels कि when I was ये दारू पी रहे हैं वो दारू पी रहे हैं तो comments के सर हम तो अहमदाबाद से देख रहे हैं ये सब यहाँ नहीं मिलता है
और मिलता तो है सब.
शायद सारे ब्रांड नहीं मिलते होंगे या जो ब्रांड मैं बात करता हूँ वो बहुत ही महंगे होते होंगे लाइक बियॉन्ड रीच होते होंगे लाइक वी टॉकिंग अबाउट let's say 5,000 rupee gin or 5,000 rupee whiskey in Mumbai, it'll probably cost 10 grand
Yeah.
in Ahmedabad. You can't afford a 10 grand drink there.
Yeah.
It's not
So वहाँ पे
needed
Old Monk is an emotion. Yeah.
You have to make it an emotion. I've heard Bangkok has a good, great bar culture.
Crazy cocktail bars.
Yeah.
Haven't been there since I got interested in cocktails, but will do soon. Like crazy
Even
bars.
Japan.
Yeah.
So we
Going to Japan this year. So I'm gonna try that.
Oh, you should go to that place where that
the samurai sword cutting the ice.
yeah.
That guy.
तलवार से आइस काटना.
I think उसके पैसे बनते हैं एक्स्ट्रा. हाँ तो तलवार से काट के दे.
दे सकते हैं भाई. तलवार use कर रहा है.
Yeah. Some yakuza sword or something.
हाँ
like
ऐसा
that.
कुछ.
It's so beautiful though, man. All of this, like, even though like some people might find it ki oh, it's so shallow. कि इतना तुमने अभी 1-1.5 घंटा दारू के बारे में बात किया है. But like it is a part of our lives.
Yeah.
So having some taste in it and trying to get the best experience out of it, which is what you do with your content, is like, भाई दारू तो सभी पी रहे हैं. अगर पी रहे हो तो I'll teach you how to do it tastefully, how to do it right.
Because
Different
we're
situation.
coming of age. We have reached that point when we have that money to not drink just to get drunk.
Yeah.
कुछ
But
तो
you do that also, na? Ki if you don't have that much of that big a budget, ki this is what you do on a tight budget, like, at least. And also there is an element of something that I appreciate about your work. Like there is an element of harm reduction that you try to tell people, ki listen, this is. We'll all have our drink and we'll enjoy it, but let's not overdo it. Like this is how you do it.
मुझे लग रहा था कि when I started doing content, कहीं मैं ऐसा तो नहीं पूरी जनरेशन एक खराब करने वाला हूँ. तो I started talking about responsibility कि यार
नहीं, it's a perfect balance.
नहीं, but वो खराब करना तो आपके हाथ में नहीं है ना, क्योंकि जो आपका कंटेंट देख रहा है, no one who's not drinking is gonna see that and say I'm gonna start drinking now.
So
He's already drinking, right?
Yeah,
this
हाँ,
person.
but नहीं,
Because
lot
if
of
you
people
didn't get to him, some advertiser would get to him, or some friend would get to him.
lot of people follow me when they say I don't drink, but I like the way you talk. And one question whenever it comes, I've never had a drink. What should I start with? Always my response is don't start drinking. It's not worth it. भाई मेरा काम ये है तुझे, if you have to unfollow me, please do. But don't drink.
Yeah.
I should not be remembered like I'm the one
The
who
reason someone started.
No, it's like your content fully communicates with people who already have a taste for alcohol and want to drink. Because I've seen other like people who make alcohol related content, and just to sensationalize it and make it look grander and bigger, like they will mix everything, like creators from outside, like Tipsy Bartender and all, just to because they've been doing it for so long. Now to do something that's different, they have to mix everything for people to be like, bro, like kya kar rahe ho? And that influence is so much worse than you telling people what is a nice whiskey to drink.
Yeah, I saw this reel where this guy mixes. His reel starts with mixing all white drinks. So he like pours every white drink he has in the glass and then takes a sip. And then of course he doesn't like it, so he shows it that he does it. But it's very watchable content, no? Kya hoga? There's a payoff at the end. You're waiting for that payoff. Will he like it? Will he not like it?
See, with this, it's still like, okay, I will see that and I'm not going to try it.
Yeah.
But like I've seen videos where they will mix everything, then they will put some blue color like Coke in it, and then pour a bunch of candy. And that looks like, oh, this will be tasty. So people will actually try it. Remember that one house party when we made this?
We made the blue thing.
We made like this
God.
huge, we mixed everything. Blue, kya dala tha humne?
I have no idea from where we got
Blue Curacao.
Yeah.
Like 2 bottles of blue curacao filled with sugar. And everyone drank that. Everyone, like at least 4 or 5 people threw up that night.
That party was the dirtiest party.
The problem is that this becomes so tasty, you don't realize that it's
The amount of alcohol is
But
there.
that
in
was
it.
the point, because we were young and no one likes the taste of alcohol.
There's a video of one of our friends passed out and his mother is calling him, throwing water on him. उठ रहा ही नहीं है वो. And no sense of panic, okay, that this guy might be dying. सोया है ऐसे.
Very drunk story here. So this was 2004, my first job. I was in Mumbai. I used to stay in Santa Cruz. And बहुत सारी पी ली मैंने. Used to drink Bacardi back then. बहुत सारी पी ली. And when these guys were leaving, I was shit drunk. Like probably not able to control myself. And when these guys were leaving, they made me stand and made me brush my teeth. And I could not understand that brushing teeth. So I realized, later, like many years later, I realized probably that's the ritual of going to bed.
Yeah.
कि यार सोने वाला है तो ब्रश तो करा देते हैं. I think that's the right thing to do. So these colleagues of mine, first job, they made me brush my teeth. Yeah, it's a nice thing to do.
That's sweet.
Skincare
कौन
भी करा
कराता
लेते हैं.
Oh, okay, now that's this year.
Night cream तो लगाए थे.
Is there any way to sober someone down, or you just have to wait?
You have to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because people give bread, nimbu pani. I don't think it's...
So this will
soak up the booze.
soak
no,
up the
but-
booze, but it'll take time. See, alcohol.
But once it's in your blood, so
Blood.
it's not soak. It will
yeah,
soak
yeah.
it up from your gut.
तो आप अगर बहुत सारी पी ली है, so when you eat bread or drink water, you're just trying to soften the effect that will happen tomorrow. alcohol is not going to magically leave your system. It will take its due course.
Hmm.
But alcohol होते हुए भी hangover ना होना, that is now your go-to solution. Yeah, ठीक है, alcohol तो बहुत पी ली, at least कल फटे तो नहीं. Because alcohol will take its due time.
Of course.
This hangover prevention works, like all these, because there's so much product in the market.
Yeah. If you understand the science, like yesterday, I had a lot of alcohol. I went to the Sula Fest, had like 5-6 glasses of wine, which is more than I ever drink. I don't know why I did that. But then by evening, I stopped drinking. I ate my food. I went to an after party also, where I was only drinking water. Like 5-6 glasses of water I had. I had the night out tablets, the electrolyte tablets. So electrolyte, water, and food. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Very likely कि अगर मैं ये तीनों चीज़ें नहीं करता तो आज ग्रॉगी होता, फटी होती. तो हो सकता था. ये सब करने के बाद भी हो सकता है. But just reduces the chances of.
Yeah. Hangover ka, have you guys seen that Anthony Bourdain clip?
Yeah.
Where he talks. So Anthony Bourdain, world class celebrity chef, everyone knows him. He had gone for some event, some sports event where this team won a championship, and they interviewed him after the thing, and he's like, these players are mostly going to be partying tonight and drinking. Do you have like a hangover ritual or like something that they can eat? And then he looks like straight into the camera. He's like, a can of Coke, some aspirin, some spicy Szechuan food, and a joint. And he just walks by, like works all the time. And that clip is so iconic, like because Anthony Bourdain is like, he went way beyond culinary.
Yeah.
Like he was a character that people kind of like really related with.
One who comes on, I think, MasterChef Australia as well.
No.
He's
Anthony
passed
Bourdain,
away,
he
Passed away a
committed
while.
suicide because he was like really depressed. And it's like his story is crazy. I don't know much about it, but like his personality was just really captivating. And there is this one clip in which I think he was one of the first big guests on the Joe Rogan podcast. And they're having beer in that episode, and his beer is over. So he holds up his pint ka glass to kind of show as a sign, without being rude, that my beer is over, can I get another?
Yeah.
And Joe misses it, like he doesn't really notice. And sometime after he passed away, Joe talks about that instance, and he's like, I still think about that and I feel so bad that I didn't realize he wanted another beer. It's just so heartbreaking, bro.
Okay, let me do the right thing. Do you want another cocktail? I don't want to ever feel bad about this.
Let's end on a cocktail. I've
got a fancy glass. This is I think the ultimate cocktail glass.
Okay.
The flimsiest.
I've had one of these.
Is this like, would you make like an espresso martini in this?
No,
or?
that's again in that Cosmopolitan glass.
Okay.
But this, I'll make a Gimlet, which is one of my favorite
I love
cocktails.
Gimlet.
Yeah.
It's
What is a gimlet?
Gimlet is nothing but gin with Nibu and chini.
Okay.
like a gin lemonade.
Gin lemonade. Very tasty. Let's make it.
There was this bar in Pune which you would do a gimlet with in that goti soda ka bottle.
That's what we used to have. What?
Yeah, That
Oh,
was so good.
one party, bro. You and I have.
I've gone back to have that drink.
That was such a bad. We've drank like 4 or 5 bottles each. At the end of the night, both of us can't see straight. We're walking like this, talking to everyone.
Do you remember when you had your first drink?
Yeah. This was when I was 22.
No way.
How is it so precise every time?
Yeah, because you take ice, like, I feel like you were taking ice randomly.
Yeah.
You clearly...
This is Gimlet.
That's so insanely precise, bro, even this time.
Get that, man. Perfect. Yeah.
Refreshing.
So good.
Wow.
I like sour drinks, so.
You will like it for sure.
So again, you've not added ice. Like
That's why you hold it.
That's why the.
That's why you hold
yeah,
it like this.
yeah,
This gin is damn smooth, bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
It has cardamom as a botanical. So that cardamom shines in the gimlet.
The elaichi.
Lychee, yeah.
Yeah. And elaichi is not a flavor that you would like in a lot of things. This is. It's hitting the spot.
Yeah.
Let's make more of these. Get hammered on it.
Sunday
Finish your
night.
story, then we'll-
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first time.
So the first time, so मेरी story very interesting है. How I started drinking. This was my final year of college, and I started smoking.
As you do in college.
Yeah. It was final few days, and there was a lot of nostalgia kicking in. And I gave $100 to my friend. Okay, get every brand of cigarette, like one each. Let's have fun today. We got some. तब जब 3-4 रुपए की आती, 2-3 रुपए की आती थी. So he got some. Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
I'm talking about 2003-4.
Yeah.
22 years ago. So, तो ले आया. We had the cigarettes. So I started smoking. I got very regular with smoking. I was talking to my brother. कि यार cigarette पीने का बड़ा मजा आता है. You get like 30 seconds of that सुरूर. कहता है यही सुरूर आधे घंटे के लिए चाहिए. मैं कहा हाँ दारू पीना शुरू कर. That was my story. So my other brother, I told him this कि यार I want to try my drink. I want to taste my first drink. So I'd gone to Goa just like for a few days, and I saw this Bacardi Breezer hoardings everywhere. A bald man with color painted on his forehead. Live life in color. ये lifestyle चाहिए ये वाली. Live life in color. So I told my brother कि यार Bacardi Breezer पीनी है. कहता है वो सब नहीं पियेंगे. मैं तुझे Bacardi के साथ बना दूंगा. So we made Bacardi with Nibu and Limca.
Classic.
So that was the first drink I had. So like had Bacardi for a white rum.
White rum been around.
That's nice that you had that influence to someone to guide you.
Yeah.
We were having breezers, I remember.
We had, but like breezer wouldn't really get you drunk.
No,
You
it
have
was
to
just
have-
like something to have at a party. Like if
हाँ breezer पी लिया वो cool बन गए. Because no one else was drinking at that age. Then I think we went out this one time and had beer.
Yeah. We had our first drink together.
With a fake ID.
Fake ID, like we had beers
at a
for
sport
the
bar
first
or
time.
something.
Yeah.
But that was also not enough to.
We weren't drunk or anything.
I mean, maybe buzzed. First time I got drunk is when I mixed everything. ये सब try करूँगा. Open bar, so I'll try everything.
Pass the fuck up.
Like no one cared to tell me कि this is not the way of doing it. Like you're not supposed to mix things.
Yeah.
But mixing has nothing to do with like getting wasted.
Yeah.
It's not the mixing, it's the quantity. So you had a lot that
Of
day.
course, of course. Like multiple beers,
Yeah, yeah.
and then someone's like, this guy's having Blue Label. Do you want to try it? I was like, Blue Label is expensive. Let's have it. And I've heard tequila is nice, so let's have a shot of tequila. Jaeger भी आ रहा है, तो Jaeger भी try करते हैं. ये सब try करने में, like I was like.
It's done.
I had to be carried out essentially. that was the end of the story. Where the bouncers of that place.
हाँ.
कुर्सी पे नहीं डाला था.
कुर्सी नहीं था भाई.
अच्छा.
दो लोग ने ऐसा उठा के, दो लोग पैर पकड़ रहे हैं, दो लोग हाथ पकड़, उन्होंने मेरे को गाड़ी में डाला. And I went home like that and got a like the next day.
तो काफी रिस्पेक्टफुल बिहेवियर है. आराम से दो लोगों ने इज्जत से गाड़ी में बिठाया.
हाँ मतलब और क्या ही कर सकते. This is after the throwing up and everything is already done. Now the place is shutting. We need this guy to go home. And I've gone home like that. My mom didn't say anything. Like that's when you know they're pissed, when they don't even say anything.
I mean, there's not much to be said when you're being carried out like a.
Right.
But
the
नहीं,
next
फिर भी
day.
तो
Next
advice
day.
तो देना ही होता है ना, मतलब कि
No, I
ऐसा नहीं
got
करना
a call
चाहिए.
from my dad. My dad wasn't in town. I got a call the next day and he said, I've heard about your
Episode.
About last
episode
night.
last night. He said, as long as you're living in my house, you don't get to behave like this. He's like, once you're 21 and you're of legal drinking age, do whatever you want. I think I've raised you in a way in which you will control yourself and not behave like this. Until then, this won't happen again. And I think that was the best way to deal with it in that situation.
So good, so well done. मैं तो खाया रहता बैठ के. एक बेल्ट खाया रहता.
सुबह उठते ही सब वेट कर रहे हैं. Like there were days no when like you get up and you realize you walk out of the bedroom
And everyone is
the
waiting.
room is tense.
Yeah.
And then you deep down you know it's you.
Yes, always.
I woke up and there was a bucket next to my bed, and I was like, oh, okay. I have
I have
made it public.
Yeah, I was nursed last
then
night.
my mom kept taunting me for a while. He's like, that night I came to your room. If I would have lit a matchstick, the room would have caught fire. There was that much alcohol coming out of the room.
That's a cool thing to say. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice dialogue.
Dialogue was
Solid
But वो होता है bro. Like if you drink a lot and you sleep, the room smells
The room
of alcohol.
smells,
Of course,
it stinks, bro. Yeah.
Every body part is emanating alcohol. Like
Out
your
of
sweat,
your
sweat.
skin,
Yeah.
out of
Trying to
your
get
skin.
out of it. Yeah.
Oh man.
चलो.
Blue Label की मेरी story है वही कि when you said about Blue Label, I was that guy जो office की parties में Blue Label order करता था. Because when you could order everything, you still should not order Blue Label because
Yeah.
it's shit expensive and your company is paying for it.
हाँ.
So I used to say यार मतलब बाहर ला रहे हो तो
अच्छा वाला लाओ.
अब हाथी को पाला है तो भाई
खिलाना.
Chalo,
this was like a lot of fun.
Yeah,
Yes.
so fun. We learned so much on this one.
I hope some of the boys like really have a good Valentine's
Yeah.
let's hope they
date
go on a good date.
on us.
Yeah.
If they do, they should come back and comment on this
Yeah, yeah.
episode and say that.
भाई लोगों ने तुमने
Thank
मेरी
you.
जिंदगी बचा दी.
हाँ.
हाँ.
हाँ. क्योंकि
भाभी
सीखना
also
चाहिए
says thank
लोगों
you.
को.
Yeah.
I wonder if someone meets the love of their life
Yeah.
That'll be
using these tactics. We would have done something
कि
right.
ऑर्गेनिक वीट से बनी वोडका,
हाँ.
कश्मीर का पानी और हमारी हो गई शादी. That'll be cool thing.
They will have Kashmir vodka at their wedding also.
they should invite us for the wedding.
Yeah.
Then it'll be
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
Have to.
Chalo, thank you so much.
Thank you
Yazav,
so
for
much.
doing this. Always
Yes.
a pleasure.
Yeah.
And
Hope you enjoyed the cocktails.
yeah,
Loved it. Thank you for the cocktails.
we'll do more episodes where we learn more because I think
Let's do that.
there's never enough to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah. We should go out also once drinking.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Chalo, done.
Chalo.
Oh, honest साथ.